Hi friends, today we're going to be making beautiful sponge butterfly art. So for my materials, I have 2 sponges, a couple of paint brushes, I have some paint. I'm using purple and green. You can use any colors you'd like. I have 2 rubber bands and a piece of construction paper. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put rubber bands on our sponges to turn them from a rectangle shape to butterfly shape. So I'm going to put the rubber band in the middle of the sponge, and then I'm going to wrap it around at least once. Let's see. And I'll probably do it one more time. So I wrapped it around twice, and there it's made a butterfly shape. So now we have a butterfly shaped sponge. So next, I'll take my first sponge, and this is gonna be a purple butterfly. So I'm gonna rub it around in the purple paint. So it'll get a little messy on my plate. That's why I like to use a paper plate as my palette, because there's a lot of room on it. And then you can just throw it away when you're done. Okay, so I've got lots of purple on there. And next, I'm gonna press it on my paper where I'd like my first butterfly to be. So I'll do it over here, and we're gonna press it really firmly down onto the paper. Make sure you get the corners. Hold it for a few seconds. And there's our first butterfly. Let me do it again so I get this spot too. There we go, that's better. Okay, so there's my first butterfly. Now I'm gonna take my second sponge, and this will be my green butterfly. All right, got green on this one, so I'm gonna press this butterfly down right here. Same as the other one, get the corners down good, get the middle down good, hold it down for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see. There it is, there's my second butterfly. I'm gonna do it again actually, see if we can get some more paint off the sponge. There we go. And now I think I'm going to do a third butterfly, and I'm gonna have it striped. So I'm gonna take the one that has green paint on it, and I think it's still got a good bit of green on there, but I'll press it down in my green again, just in case. And then I'm gonna take my paintbrush and get some purple. Oh no, oopsie. And I'm gonna paint stripes on there. And I love doing butterfly art because it's fun and I love butterflies, and also because it's a really great way to teach your kiddos or students about symmetry. So I got stripes on this. Let's see how it turns out. Push it down on my paper. Gonna push extra hard so hopefully the stripes show up. There we go, that's pretty. So you could also, you could paint some circles on there if you want to do kind of polka dots on your butterflies. And if you'd like, you could add some details. I'm gonna put a purple body on this one. There we go. If you have a marker, you could draw some antenna on your butterflies. So there is our beautiful sponge butterfly art. Thanks for watching, guys.